What is up, people? It is your boy Chanzalona. Welcome back. Today we are in San Isidro at the very famous Farmers Market, and we are gonna see what we can get ourselves today with just $20 US. So this should be fun. First we gotta find somebody that's gonna take the 20 USD and give us some change. Eso? Guavas. ¿Cuánto cuesta por una?
400.
400 por uno?
$4.
Sí. Solo.
En la caja ahí.
Ah, okay. Gracias. Alright, first we're gonna get some change. Then we're gonna get some guavas. ¿Cuánto cuesta por esto? Amén. Por vida, ¿cuánto cuesta?
2,600.
Gracias. 500 por eso?
1,500.
Ok. Alright. Gracias, amigo. Por 4 por 100?
Sí,
No, por... sí. 8 bolsas, por favor. De 4, ok. Muchas gracias. Gracias. Es pequeños, ¿ah?
Sí, muchos kilos, 3.000 colones.
Las personas que tienen camiones en
Manzanas.
favor pasarlos al partido de la feria. El señor Donald y Giovanni se necesitan en los carros.
Amigo, por vida. ¿Cuánto cuesta por uno piña? Uno.
600.
600? Let's go with this. Uno. 600. ¿Cuánto por uno?
700, 2 por 1000.
2 por 1000? Let's do that. 2 por 1000. Gracias, amigo.
Gracias.
No, gracias. Hey, buddies. Whoa, look at the size of this thing. This thing's huge. Alright, where is my girl? Oh, here she is. Guavas. Guavas, I'm back.
Claro.
Good. No.
Esto está muy rica también.
Gracias. Guavas. Delicious.
Gracias.
¿Usted conozco gente con guábana o no?
Guanábana.
Sí.
Allá, pegando la pared acá de frente.
Ah, perfecto. Gracias.
Con Costa.
Buen día. Alright, I've been looking for guavana. Jump over this here. Oh my lord, they're huge. Hola. ¿Cuánto cuesta por Un media.
A 1500 el kilo.
1500 kilos. ¿Cuánto es eso?
1800.
Let's do it.
¿Se lo echo en una bolsita?
Sí, por favor. Alright, gracias. Gracias. Necesito un picture de esto. Eso aquí, sí, uno. Dos mangos, pero no mucho grandes. Esto, nice and ripe. Listo. Listo. Todo listo. Aquí, sí. Es mucho tiempo. Sí. Esto es bien. Y let's do one of these bad boys. Alright, ¿cuánto por todo? Alright, that is it. That was quick in and out. I mean, there wasn't that many people. I think it's the end of the day. Most of the people are already packed up and gone. So I'm just getting the rest of the pickings, as they say. But man, we got a ton of stuff for 20 bucks. A ton of stuff. So I can't wait to get home, show you guys what we got. Let's go. Alright, let's see what we wound up getting here at the end of the day. So, one piña, 2 guavas, very ripe avocado, 2 very ripe mangoes, 4 bananas, a bag of pehibahis, a big bundle of onions, 2 heads of broccoli, a big sandia, watermelon, and a nice big fat hunk of guanabana. This is what I was looking for the most. There was a couple things I wanted that didn't have because we wound up getting there a little late, but for the most part, that's a pretty decent amount of fruit and vegetables for $20. I thought I would get a little bit more, but the prices have definitely gone up around here for sure, without a doubt. And also another thing that I realized when I was leaving, because I thought, I'm like, hold on, I just did this very quickly, and I used to spend hours in this place just trying to figure out what I was gonna get and all this other stuff. And then I realized, I was like, oh, I didn't do it correct at all. The way you want to do it is you want to go in there with a hustler's mindset. You want to go in there with a booklet in front of you, a pamphlet written down of everything you need. You need tomatoes, you need onions, you need green beans, you need eggs, you need this, that. Write it all down and go from stand to stand. If this guy wants $2 mil for these, go to another guy. Again, I wasn't in a hustler's mindset. I was just kind of like, I need onions, boom, get onions. I need this, get that. I should have went in there and said, oh, these are $2 mil? Okay, I'm gonna go down there and see what she'll charge me. And then when she says something, I'm gonna be like, yeah, but he wanted $2 mil. Can you do it for a little better? That's the way to do it. Write down your prices, write down what people are telling you. This way you can go to other people and be like, oh, the lady with blonde hair, she said it was cheap as shit, let's go to her. That's really the way you want to do the farmer's market. But for the most part, $20, not bad. Not bad at all. Definitely could be better. Didn't really go in there with any idea of what I wanted. I just kind of was like, okay, we just need to get some stuff. We're just gonna go in there and see what we can get for $20. I just know that the fridge is empty, and we're gonna make some smoothies, and we're gonna do a taste test Tuesday on the guanabana and the guava, so stay tuned on that. Oh man, this avocado is so ripe. It is so, look at that. This needs to be eaten like now, so I'm gonna get to that. I appreciate you guys for coming with me on this adventure to the farmer's market. It was a fun time. I love the farmer's market. It's always a good time. I think they're open 3 days a week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I'm not really sure of the times. I think they were closing at 2 o'clock today, and I got there around 1:15. So we're getting to a point where everybody's shutting down, getting rid of all their stuff and getting out of there. So, but I gotta say, again, with the hustler's mindset, you go in there, you find a bunch of really, really ripe avocados. It's 2 o'clock on a Friday. They're not open till next week. These things gotta get sold. So you go in there and be like, yo, I want a ton of avocados. Give me some good prices. It's the only way to do it. So when you go to the farmer's market, make sure you go in there with the hustler's mindset. Hustle out those hustlers. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Chenzaloon out. Yeah.